story down in Illinois that must be heard. It's a story about a prehistoric bird painted on the bluff down the great river road, 5 miles from Alton as the crow flies. Piasa Bird, it's a painting of the Piasa Bird. Piasa Bird, Piasa Bird, Piasa Bird, Piasa Bird. History tells a mystery, many stories have been told. Discovered a long time ago. Jolliet and Father Marquette saw a picture they couldn't forget. It was a painting of the Piasa Bird. Piasa Bird, Piasa Bird, Piasa Bird, Piasa Bird. Discovered in 1673. Painted on lime rock for the world to see. Piasa Bird, Piasa Bird, Piasa Bird, Piasa Bird. Later years, it's moved on down the road. Limestone won't hold, it won't hold. It's painted on down the road. Piasa Bird, Piasa Bird, Piasa Bird, Piasa Bird. The legend of the Piasa Bird.